Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on July 20th launched the door-to-door free distribution of caste certificates and the permanent resident certificate service at the conference hall in Vidhana Soudha in Bengaluru. He also inaugurated the website and WhatsApp service for the permanent resident certificate. The Chief Minister stated that the initiative is part of the government's commitment to your vote, your right, your vote, your life. Our government guarantees it. He recalled that former Chief Minister S.M. Krishna had introduced the doorstep delivery of Pahani, which means land records, and noted that the present government is continuing that vision by delivering essential services directly to citizens. Describing the program as a historic initiative, D.K. Shivakumar pointed out that Karnataka has become the first state in the country to distribute permanent resident certificate free of cost to 4.85 crore families. He explained that the certificate is one of the 11 documents prescribed by the Election Commission for inclusion in the voter list, and added that the government is implementing the program in strict compliance with the Election Commission's guidelines. He clarified that the initiative is neutral and emphasized that providing essential certificates to residents is the responsibility of the state government. Responding to criticism, he asserted that helping people is the government's duty, not politics. The Chief Minister said that applications can be submitted online through Seva Kendras and at Hubli level facilitation centers. He urged citizens to fill out the forms distributed by booth level officers and return them, warning that citizens whose names are not included in the voter list could lose the access to government benefits. He further stated that along with the 5 guarantee schemes and the land guarantee, the government has launched a special campaign to safeguard voting rights, emphasizing that identity is essential for both livelihood and democratic participation. He described the initiative as a historic administrative reform aimed at delivering government services directly to people's doorsteps and reducing the need for citizens to visit government offices. The Chief Minister remarked, politics is not important. People's lives and rights are important, and appreciated the efforts of village accountants, revenue department officials and staff for implementing the program. He also appealed to citizens to preserve their permanent residence certificates carefully. The event was attended by Deputy Chief Minister and Revenue Minister G. Parameshwara, Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister Manish Maudgil, Chief Minister's Economic Advisor L.K. Athik, Additional Chief Secretary of the Revenue Department Rajendra Kumar Kataria and other senior officials.
Today on behalf of Government of Karnataka, as I had earlier announced that this is a government, a pro-people government. SIR is going on. We want the voters of Karnataka to be safe. We don't want anyone to misuse it. We want to give them their rights. Every voter should have their right. This is right to vote and right to live. When they have their vote, they can live safely. To facilitate this opportunity from last few days till 29. I was told 10 days it has been extended, but still it is a different question. I request you have a short time, only 10-15 days is available. Karnataka government has come out with a new concept to give you the caste certificate and the permanent resident certificate. Already my deputy CM announced who are living in Karnataka from the past 10 years, who are having their right, who are eligible to the permanent residential certificates will be issued to you. You can download it, and apart from that, 4.85885 crores, that means 4 crores 85 lakhs families have their income and their caste certificates. They have their caste certificates. This is a document which has been issued by the Revenue Department. So my government officials from the downline will go to the respective houses for every individual houses, and they will take a printout copy and they will submit it. Those who can't reach, who are eligible, who are knowledgeable, who know the new format, can go to we have come out with a website today two websites we have been launched. You can go for a permanent certificate, a residence certificate, or the caste certificate. You can download on yourself, get it free, and even the certificate what is available will be to your doorstep. This is a great service the Karnataka government is offering to the people of Karnataka. This is a new concept where no government in the country has done this. We are not looking at politics, we are beyond politics. It is the duty of every citizen to have the right to vote and right to live. So Karnataka government is facilitating. We believe in democracy, we believe in constitution, we believe in giving every section of the society to have their right. So there are a lot of conditions which has been imposed by the election commission. In that condition, these two certificates are very much important to establish their rights. So I appeal to all of them. These SC, ST and other caste certificate or OBC caste certificate, it may be minority caste certificate, they can download it. They will be receiving what is the document available in the state of Karnataka, in the document of every Tahsildar or a ward or a city or corporation, and the residential certificate, including the rural sector and the urban sector, can be downloaded with filling the necessity requirement. So my officers from the downline, I thank my Mr. Kataria and his team under the leadership of our Deputy Chief Minister, will be sending to all the houses, to the doors. By knocking the doors, we are going to give a certificate free of cost. So that is the greatest decision we have taken. Still, I have asked my, affidavit has to be submitted. I have asked my officers to just look into it. Still, how we can help them, how we can help the common man to see that they protect their voting right and to leave it. And one thing I would like to request all of you, if you doesn't have a voting right, you have seen in various states what the central government has taken decision, what the states have taken decision. I don't want them to lose the opportunity of whatever they are getting, the food grains or what essential issues which has been given by the government, or from any pensions or anything, whatever may be. It may be 5 guarantees which we are giving. Guru Lakshmi, Guru Jyoti, Annabhagya, whatever it may be, including the free transport. You should have your own identity for that issued from the state of Karnataka. This will go a long way to extend your bona fide rights which you are living here, breathing here, living here and working here. So this government, which we are here to help you better, you please make of this opportunity whatever. We are opening a separate helpline desk in every panchayats to facilitate you, to guide you better, to see that you all get your certificate without any complication, free of cost from the government of Karnataka. This is the greatest initiative which we have taken from the government of Karnataka to help the voters of Karnataka, which you all are living here. I would like to thank you for this, and I would like to thank the media friends for supporting this cause, helping this cause. It's a great initiative. It is our bound duty to help the voters of Karnataka and all of you. Thank you. I don't want to comment on this. Already the election commission has come out. We know the law of this land. We are eligible, whatever the certificate we are issuing with authority. We want to facilitate. There is nothing is there. Whether we have discussed with the election commission, we have discussed with the authorities as per their guidelines, what the norms tell, as per the law of this country, law of this state, we are providing the concerned certificate. Let BJP or any party, let them shout. It is their duty to shout, but it is our duty to give them the right. We will give them the right.